If you're watching this right now, feeling like you're behind on your goals and your manifestations, or like the year just completely got away from you, and at this point, you probably will just wait until the new year to even try again. If any of those apply to you, I need you to listen up because right now in this video, we are actually going to hit the reset button on your manifestations before December is even here. And this week, specifically before December 1st hits, there's this really beautiful manifestation reset window that most people completely miss. And honestly, this little window of time is actually what creates some of the biggest and best results. So I am going to show you exactly how to maximize and use this specific time period so that the new year doesn't become just another time where you try and hope and wonder why nothing's changed. This is going to be the time where everything changes for the better. So here is what's happening in this time frame right now. Right now, we're kind of in this weird space between Thanksgiving, if you celebrate, and the holidays. And honestly, most people are already checked out. There are so many people kind of already in holiday mode. You might be feeling like it too. Just saying, hey, I'm just going to start again in the new year with fresh New Year's resolutions. But if you're watching this, you're actually already ahead of the game. Because this week, not January 1st, but right now, is, like I said, the most powerful time to reset your manifestation for the entire year ahead. Things that you've been trying to manifest still have time before the new year even starts. So let me explain and share exactly what you need to do right now, and I'll even share 3 of my favorite tools that will really help you lock in this powerful, energetic time. So really quickly, why is this specific window so important? Why does it matter so much? Well, first off, there is way less noise and pressure right now as the year kind of wraps up. We're in the final few weeks of the year. So like I said, most people are starting to kind of slow down, settle into the holidays, and kind of just coast into the new year. And that's when the motivation will hit for them to go after their goals and dreams. There's honestly zero pressure right now to make your goals happen, because you have the new year just weeks away. And here's the beauty in that. When there's less pressure, you actually tend to get better results because you aren't resisting or controlling all of the details. And second, your brain is already getting ready for a reset, even if you're not aware of it. Your subconscious mind knows the new year is ending. It's starting to process, to wrap things up, and to start to prepare for the new things ahead for the new year. So this means it's actually more open and receptive right now than it will even be in January when you're forcing another round of New Year's resolutions that feel overwhelming or feel big, and even some of those New Year's resolutions that you might quit in 3 weeks. But right now, your subconscious mind is listening. It hasn't built up that resistance yet. And third, honestly, this might be the last week where you find any extra free time in your calendar, because once December kicks in, it can kind of feel nonstop between parties, shopping, obligation, all of the activities, all of the things going on. It can feel overwhelming, but right now you have that small little window of breathing room and you have the space to actually make this work. So if you've been ready for a reset and to actually start seeing results instead of waiting until the new year, this is it. So let me walk you through it. Here is what you're going to do. And I'm gonna share some of my absolute favorite tools. These aren't just tools that I'm recommending. These are tools that actually truly work and that I use. So tool number 1 to use during this powerful reset work is going to be my 7-day manifesting challenge. If you haven't done this already, it's completely free. And the best part is it takes just a few minutes per day. You can fit this into your schedule no matter if you're traveling or whatever is going on this week. You can actually watch the video where I explain the 7-day challenge and what to do by clicking up here, and I will also leave the link in the description box below the video. Like I said, it's completely free. It's 7 days, just minutes per day. Simple, powerful, and it actually uses mastermind energy to shift your subconscious quickly and create results fast. Again, it's totally free, minutes per day, so try this out. You have nothing to lose this week. Go ahead and click that link in the description box below. So tool number 2, if you don't already have my daily dose or my abundance deck, you need to do yourself a favor and get them. These are not just motivational affirmation card decks. These actually work to rewire your subconscious mind in just minutes per day. All of the cards have different focuses, experiments. It comes with this little display stand. And the abundance deck is really beautiful. It has tons of crystal accents and really beautiful cards filled with some of the best affirmations for programming abundance. This is a science-backed practice where each day you simply pick a card at random and allow it to be your focus for the day. It is as simple as that. I personally hand box and ship every single one of these. These are so incredibly important to me. And these are honestly the most powerful and effective tools to really get you those results you want without feeling like you're always having to try to manifest. And because you are here doing this reset this week, for this entire week, you can actually save 15% off when you purchase the 2 decks together, or you get 10% off each if you buy them separately. Just go ahead and use code YouTube at checkout. These are very rarely discounted. So if you're in the reset, you get these for a discount. I'm gonna go ahead and I will link them both down below. And you can even read through hundreds of reviews from people who have used these with incredible results. And finally, tool number 3, this honestly might be one of my favorite things, and now is the perfect time to get yours. And that is the Goal Guide 2026 Planner. And this is more than just a planner. This is a step-by-step roadmap to turn your dreams into reality. So Goal Guide combines the structure of a planner with really powerful tools and worksheets to use each and every month that helps you stay organized while turning your dreams into reality. These brand new 2026 Goal Guides were just released and they are already 70% sold out within the first 48 hours. I get emails from people daily who say that the Goal Guide is almost like magic because every time they write down a goal for the month, they typically have it before the month is even up. It is that powerful. It shows you specific processes to take your dreams, reverse engineer them, and make them into your reality. I can truly say that this is unlike any planner you've had before, and as a special little bonus if you're doing this reset, they are 30% off until December 1st. And because I also like to over-deliver and gift giving is one of my absolute favorite love languages, when you get your Goal Guide before December 1st, I'm actually throwing in over $2,000 in bonus trainings for me. When you get your Goal Guide before December 1st, you get my intention setting masterclass and a 90-minute planner training where I also share some of my most popular manifesting questions I get asked and I answer those for you. This will give you all of the tools you need to get started before the New Year's even here. So all of this is yours before December 1st. So again, those 3 tools are my free 7-day manifesting challenge. The link is down below. The Daily Dose and Abundance decks, which are on a discount until December 1st. And the Goal Guide Planner, which is about to sell out very quickly, probably before the holidays. So if you are seeing this and they are still in stock, grab yours because once they're gone, they're gone. I don't restock these for the year. And if you are planning to use all 3 of those tools this week, go ahead and comment the word 3 below so that I can say hi and support you personally. So stop waiting for January 1st. Start right now because in just a matter of days or weeks, your entire life could look so different. You don't need to wait for a date on the calendar. Start now. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. I have a brand new Choose a Photo video coming out next week. I can't believe it's gonna be the last one of 2025. You can also find me over on Instagram and TikTok and Threads at MK Magic Mindset. And if you wanna learn more about me, my programs, how to work with me, and more, you can visit my website at mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.